Today, I'm going to teach you how to create reminders in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of tasks and deadlines without leaving your Teams workspace, ensuring you never miss an important follow-up or meeting. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your work or school account, as this will ensure you have access to all the features and integrations available to you. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll find a vertical menu with various options. Click on Apps. This section is where you can discover and add various integrations and tools that extend the functionality of Microsoft Teams, making it more than just a messaging platform. In the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Remind and hit Enter. This will pull up the Remind app, which is designed specifically for setting up reminders within Teams. Once you see it appear in the search results, click the Add button beside it. This installs the app to your Teams workspace, making it accessible whenever you need it. After adding the app, navigate back to the left side of your screen. You'll notice 3 dots near the bottom of the menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal additional options and installed apps. From this expanded menu, click on Remind. This opens the Remind interface where you can start creating your reminders. Now comes the fun part. You can input a message directly into the chat box. For example, you might type something like, "Remind me to reply to emails later at 10 p.m. and then send it. The beauty of this app is that it understands natural language, so you can phrase your reminders in a way that feels conversational and easy to remember. Once you send your message, Remind will reply to you confirming that it will remind you at the specified time. This confirmation gives you peace of mind that your reminder is set and will alert you when you need it most. And that's it. You've successfully set up reminders in Microsoft Teams using the Remind app. This simple integration can significantly boost your productivity by ensuring important tasks don't slip through the cracks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.